Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a everyday makeup tutorial. Really natural, really nice. It's literally like 5 products, I think. I don't know, I'll double check, but I think it's like 5 products. So let me show you what I do. So I have everything pretty much in this little pouch. This is my little glossy pouch that I got when I ordered the 3 lipbalm.coms. I would have used the bigger one, but I broke the Ziploc thing on it, so we use a smaller one. So let me start off with concealer. So I go in with the Glossier Stretch Concealer. This is what it looks like. I love this one. This is in the shade G11. I did a full review on Glossier products that I bought. If you're curious, I will link that somewhere here, wherever the cards are. So I will also link it in the description. So what I do with this is I just apply it normally to my under eyes. Just like that. Sometimes I'll use a brush, sometimes I'll just use my fingers. Today I honestly just felt like using my fingers, so I'm just gonna use that. And make sure to kind of blend it down towards my cheek and my temple, so it's not just like this primal area is highlighted. So trying to make it seem blendable into my skin, and then I'm going to take it and I'm going to apply it to my nose where I have sometimes redness because I have allergies, so I've been blowing my nose. And then I have a couple, I don't know if you can see that, I have a couple acne spots right here. Yeah, this one's really bad. I did a full on extraction yesterday, so. So I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender and just blend it out wherever I see. And then because it didn't give it that much coverage, I'm gonna go in with a second concealer. So I'm gonna go in with my Be Bright Cookie Concealer. This is my favorite. This is in the shade, I think it's in the shade Light. So I just take it and I'm just gonna dot it wherever I still see the spots. Honestly, the stretch concealer did a pretty good job of covering them, so you don't need too much of this. And then again, take the beauty blender and just lightly stipple it. And I just applied it. So I do love the dewy look that the stretch concealer leaves, but unfortunately for it to stay on longer, for longevity purposes, I'm going to use this matte loose setting powder. This is from 1+1. It's from Miniso. That's the company that sells it. And just pat it on my under eye, my cheeks, any place I see fitting. Okay, so while I'm waiting for that to set in a bit, I'm gonna go in with brows. I use this Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim pencil, so it's really cute, really small. So I first like to just brush out my eyebrows, and then I like to go in with it, and I pretty much just fill the tail. Like that, and then I will sometimes touch the middle front. Like that. And then same thing for the other one. And then I take my spoolie and I just brush it all out. Make sure it's even. Then I like to go into with the Benefit Gimme Brow. I have it in shade number 4, and I just take it and comb it through, mainly focusing on the front, but okay, so brows are done, and then I like to go in with blush. I've been loving the Cloud Paint by Glossier. I have 2 shades right here. I have I have Beam and Dawn. I've been using Beam for the past couple days. You can probably see it in my reacting to high school photos. I have that one on, so because I already have that one as my favorite, I'm going to apply this one on for today. So this product is very, very pigmented. Be careful. So I just take a little bit on my ring finger and I just apply it to the high points of my cheek, so like my cheekbone, and I slowly start blending it to the apple. And again, dot it and then slowly start spreading lower and lower. Like that. So I actually like to use this specific shade as a eyeshadow. So again, I'll just take it on literally the tiniest amount because there's so much pressure in this bottle. So much will come out, but we just want the tiniest bit. Come on. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Literally the tiniest amount. And I'm going to dot it on my eyelid and then slowly blend upwards. And there you go. You have some nice orange eyeshadow. Like that. If I ever feel I need it more blended, I just take my beauty blender and I just do that. And it evens it out. There you go. Some days I'll do eyeliner, other days I won't. Today I particularly don't feel the need to do eyeliner, so I will just go in with my mascara, but for eyeliner I use the Pro Tip by Glossier. It's a really good one. I have this eyelash color. This is by Revlon. It's a really good one. It has like 2 different settings on it too, so I like doing that. And this is really scary, but this is how it looks like. There you go. So all nice and curled, and then I go in with the Glossier, and I just like to coat it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all I need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this one needs a little bit more. But yeah, that's how I do it. Sometimes I'll apply it to the bottom, but again, today is not the day, so deal with it. Lastly, again, I feel like this is sponsored by Glossier, but it's really not. I've just been loving their makeup, so I like to go in with the Rose Balm. Oh, there's a hair on here. Rosebalm.com by Glossier. Really love it. It's a really good match. So I just take it. I like to take it where I've had the I like to take it where I've had the Cloud Paint on before, so it meshes together and creates like the same color as the rest of my face. So I take it, apply it, and it kind of leaves that orange tint that's left over from the Cloud Paint. Okay, and that is pretty much it. This is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!